Hello friends, this is Leslie here from leslievoice.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first time you are watching my channel. Please do subscribe and you can click on the bell button to get notifications from me every week. So I used to upload videos related to career development and job search, right? So if you're somebody who wants to learn about this, please do subscribe and click on the bell button. So today we are going to talk about a very important and interesting topic for the job seekers, right? So I'm going to teach you or tell you how you can identify whether the interviewer liked you right in the interview place itself, right? So most of the job seekers, what happens is they go for interview, they don't get any feedback for a few days, they're not sure whether the interviewer liked them or not liked them, all that, right? So we are so confused. So this video will help you to understand whether this interviewer liked you or not, okay? So let's get into the topic and understand how you can identify that. What you need to do is, while you give answers, right, while you're giving answers to the interviewer, you can look for signs whether the interviewer smiles, right? Very important. And there might be chances where the interviewer say that yes, that's right answer, or the interviewer says exactly, right? So these are some of the key words that you can observe during the interview to check whether the interviewer likes you or not. If the interviewer says these keywords such as exactly, that's the answer, yeah, like this, like these are the certain keywords that they will be, acknowledging your answer. Those words will be acknowledging your answer, then that means you're giving a right answer and also the interviewer is liking that answer, right? So that's one technique to identify that. The second which I want to tell you is, towards the end of the interview, right? Towards the end of the interview, what kind of questions or what does the interviewer talk to you is most important, crucial element to identify. For an example, the interviewer will ask you how soon you can join, what is the notice period, right? Most of the interviewers will ask this maybe, but does the interviewer go beyond that? Do you think you can negotiate the notice period or not, right? So such questions, do you think, can you negotiate the notice period? Do you think you can negotiate? Do you think you can join earlier than your notice period, right? Such questions are a clear indication that the interviewer has liked you, okay, based on your interview. And there might be a situation where the interviewer is asking you for your current compensation and the expected compensation as well, right? So how much you are expecting. He or she might not get deep into the negotiation at that point of time, but the interviewer would be asking you what is your current and what is your expected CTC, how much fixed you have in this, how much variable you have in this. Such questions are clear indication that the interviewer is liking you. And the other indication that you can find is, the interviewer will tell you what is the next process. Before even you ask, the interviewer might say, okay, I am done with this, so let me talk to the HR and you might be having another round of interview with my manager, right? So such kind of indication is also a positive indication for you. So if the interviewer tells you about the next process, next interview specifically, if they say that I will check with the HR and the HR will connect with you, that is not a positive indication, and neither that is not a negative indication also, okay? Sometimes the interviewer itself might not know how to proceed further with the interview. Such cases they will say this answer, but that does not mean it's a positive or negative indication. Whereas the interviewer clearly says you might be having 2 more discussions, or you might be having in the next discussion with my manager, will you be available this week, right? So for next another round of discussion. These kind of questions or these kind of sentence which is coming from the interviewer is a clear indication that you are going to the next round or you are getting shortlisted. Another very important secret is the interviewer starts selling you the job, right? So that means in the interview it happens both the ways, whereas the candidate as you, right, the job seeker sells themselves to the interviewer through their skill set, all that stuff. At the same time, sometimes after the interviewer likes you, if the interviewer definitely wants you, right? Sometimes what happens is interviewer sells you the job. They say this job is like that, this job is like this, all that. Or the interviewer will clearly give an indication what exactly the role is. This I am talking about towards the end, not towards the starting of your discussion. Starting of the discussion, most of the interviewers will give you a clarity about what is his role and what is expected from you. That is not an indication of selection, right? Towards the end, if the interviewer oversells the role to you, or the interviewer gives a clear indication, this is what we are expecting on the role, or you fine with that, or you okay with that. For an example, this is a night shift job. Are you sure about working in night shift? Towards the end, I'm talking about again, right? So if the interviewer says such things, right, either selling or giving a clear indication what exactly the role is and are you fine with that or not, is a clear indication again that you are getting shortlisted on that particular round. Okay. Another important sign is the interview is going beyond the scheduled time. For an example, if the interview is scheduled for 45 minutes, whereas the interview is already going for 1 hour or 1 hour and 15 minutes, then that is also a clear indication that the interviewer has liked you. And another two indications I can share across with you is if the interviewer exchange the contact information, right? He or she may say, okay, you can connect with me on this number or you can connect with me in this email ID, then that is also a positive indication. Okay. Sometimes what happens, you are not seeing any of these indications, let's say. You are not seeing any of these indications or you have seen few of these indications. You go back and then either you write a thank you note or you write a follow-up email to your recruiter. If the recruiter responds to you within that day's time, right? If you're writing an email to the recruiter today and if your recruiter responds to you within today, then most likely you are shortlisted and you will be going for the next round, right? So these are the indications that you can observe during your interview, after your interview, to identify whether you are going through this round or not. Okay, I hope this helped you. If you like this video, please do share, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you have any questions or you want me to talk about any other topic, please do comment below. Thank you so much.